Today, we're embarking on a fiery experiment. We'll be exploring the transformation of a humble banana through the power of fire. As we apply heat to the banana, we'll witness a series of fascinating changes. The first noticeable effect is the release of aromatic compounds, which give the banana its distinctive sweet and fruity scent. The heat causes the water content within the banana to evaporate, leading to the dehydration of the outer peel. This process concentrates the remaining sugars, intensifying the sweetness. As the temperature rises, the banana undergoes a process called pyrolysis, where organic matter breaks down into simpler compounds. This process releases various gases, including carbon dioxide and water vapor. The charred outer layer acts as a barrier, slowing down the combustion process. However, the intense heat eventually penetrates the protective layer, igniting the inner pulp. Whoa! The banana's inner pulp, rich in sugars and water, is highly flammable. This unexpected burst of flame is a testament to the power of chemical reactions. By observing the transformation of a banana through fire, we gain a deeper understanding of the complex chemical composition of fruits. This knowledge can be applied to various fields, from cooking to materials science. While the banana may have been consumed by fire, its legacy lives on. The insights gained from this experiment can help us appreciate the intricate nature of organic matter and its interactions with heat. So, the next time you enjoy a delicious banana, remember the hidden potential within. From a vibrant, nutritious fruit to a fiery spectacle, the banana's transformation is a testament to the power of nature. What other everyday objects could we explore through the lens of fire? Let's continue our scientific journey and uncover the hidden secrets within. Let's delve deeper into the science behind the banana's fiery transformation. The high sugar content in bananas provides fuel for the combustion process, while the water content helps to regulate the rate of burning. Do different types of bananas burn differently? Let's conduct a comparative analysis to explore them. Variations in their chemical composition and their impact on the combustion process. While this experiment is fascinating, it's important to consider the environmental implications of burning organic matter. Let's discuss the potential benefits and drawbacks of this practice. Bananas have been an important food source for centuries. Let's explore the history of bananas and their cultural significance in different parts of the world. As we conclude our fiery exploration of the banana, let's ponder the endless possibilities of scientific inquiry. What other questions can we answer through experimentation and observation?